Hi everybody, it's Wendy Lee. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing great today. I am bringing you a Walmart haul today. We stopped at Walmart just to do like our normal shopping, and of course I had to walk down the crafty aisle and all the other aisles where we find cute fun stuff to play with. So I wanted to share what I found because I found some new things and I found some awesome things. Okay, first I found these really pretty adhesive gemstones. Now you may have seen me haul these before, but the ones I hauled were like iridescent. I've never seen the rainbow one, so I thought that was cool. So it's got like lavender, dark purple, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. They're about 6 millimeter. And I thought those were pretty. I thought those were fun. So there's those. Let's see if we can put those down. There they go. Okay. Then this was exciting to me because I have this, but I got 2 more because it's my absolute favorite, and it is Snowy Surprise glitter. This glitter is so beautiful, and a lot of times you only find it during the holidays, and I always look at it every time I go to Walmart, and today I found it. I've seen sellers sell it on eBay. They sell 2 of them for $16, and I've bought it before when I've been desperate. But I think these are like $2.99 a piece, maybe. Pretty sure they're like $2.99 a piece. So I grabbed 2 just so I can be stocked up. Then I found a really pretty yellow color that I don't have. This one's called Sun Shower. And I also got some more of these. I love these. These are only $1. They're little twist top organizers. I use them for things like my little, what are these called? I can't remember what they're called, but you can like twist them up into erasers and make charms out of them. I'm forgetting the name right now. And then I put jump rings in them. What else? I have bales in this one, so I've got 2 different kinds of plastic bales and some gold bales, and I like them because they connect, so you just pull it off if you want, and then they twist on the top, so it's just nice storage that goes well together. I also got these from Walmart. I've had these. I think you get 3 of them for like $2 or something. But yeah, I got a couple more of those. Then I also, you've seen me haul these before. I love these. You know that I use these to store my wax beads in. And these are nice if you're doing like a bead box swap or a charm swap. So, and I think these are $1, maybe $2. I can't remember, but good deal for those. Then I got some ribbons. So I got 2 gold ones, 2 pink ones, and like a white iridescent one. Then I blame Lacey from Laces and Ribbons for this. If you're not subscribed to her channel, you really should be. She's so awesome. She like only knows that I comment on our videos, but she doesn't like really know who I am. But I would suggest you go subscribe to her, tell her I sent you. She did a video where she was showing like how she organized some of her things in her room with these, and these are the Everything Mary 21 storage space bead storage boxes. So I got a few of those, and it's nice because in the middle is a big opening, so like if you have charms or whatever you're storing that won't fit in the little spaces, but you still want to kind of keep everything together, you've got this big space in the middle to put those bigger spaces or those bigger pieces in. So I got a few of those. Then I found these, which I'm so happy because I want to make some little popsicle embellishments, and I thought these would be perfect, the little mini craft sticks. So I got some of those. Then I also got some of these really skinny wood dowels. Let's see what their diameter is. It's a 50 pack. And I got these pretty yellow fingernails, which I thought were pretty. And then I got these really pretty, I probably totally overpaid for these, but 40 pieces of these little silky roses. And I found these white doilies by Wilton. And then I blame It's a Deal for this purchase here. So I don't know if this is going to be able to show. I'm going to link her channel if for some reason you're not subscribed to her. I love watching her channel because she always has like the greatest hauls, and she's recently shared her crafty room organization. So she has like this little craft space that she has organized amazingly. And one of the things that she uses is this 4-pocket nursery organizer. I had to go online to walmart.com to order this, but it was 2 of them for, I want to say 17 something, if I'm not mistaken. And I thought that was a really good deal. Free shipping, 2-day shipping, came really fast. And I think she puts like all her tulle and things like that in it. I'm going to put mine over the door, and I might do the same thing. I might do tulle and you know, things that come on those big spools, like maybe like the faux leather and such. I don't know yet, we'll see. But I got 2 of these, so I really love those. And that is it for my little Walmart haul, guys. I really hope you enjoyed, and I hope this gave you some good ideas. Please go to Lacey's channel. Please go to Leanna's channel from It's a Deal. I guarantee you're gonna love them. Tell them I sent you. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you have a great day. Take care. Bye-bye.